What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to show y'all how I prep my hair for a V-part unit. I do want to give a shout out to UNice for sending me this hair. As y'all know, I struggle with seborrheic dermatitis, so I've been on the hunt to find the best products to deal with it. So I'm starting out on some old hair. So first things first to a prep is clean hair. So we gotta wash our hair, get all that dirt out, and get some healthy hair. I did go ahead and wash and condition my hair. If y'all want to see that, let me know. I can do that in a separate video. So this is what my hair looks like after it's washed, y'all. It's so thick. It is extremely thick and long, and it just grows so much, y'all. So I like to try different protective styles, so I don't always have to have all of my hair out, and it also helps with my seborrheic dermatitis, just not having it out as much and not having to always put heat to it and stuff like that. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to detangle it in 4 different sections, and then I'm going to go in and blow dry. This is actually my first time trying a V-part wig. Like, I've been trying the whole lace things, and I'm really wanted to go back to sew-ins and, quick weaves. Like, I love those, and I've been really trying to just do wigs. And I'm just like, you know what? Let's just stick with what we know and what we like, and, what is worth our money, because the wigs, they're cute, don't get me wrong, but are they worth the money? I don't know. Because due to my seborrheic dermatitis, I can't have the wig in but for like a good week, maybe 2 weeks. That's kind of pushing it because of just how bad my scalp is. But anyways, let's get back into the video. So when UNice reached out to me and wanted me to try this wig, I was definitely excited. It gave me something I knew I could do, because those wigs, y'all, are a struggle for me. Like, getting them installed is cool, but installing them on myself is like, I'm not that girly. I want to be really, really bad, but I'm just not. And when I say this is a full prep, but I have mastered it. Like, I got this prep down to about 20 minutes of blow drying, and it's because of the blow dryer that I'm going to show y'all. It is a Revlon, like the brush dryer. I got it from Amazon. I don't have it in my storefront if y'all want to check it out, but it has literally cut my dry time in half. And this prep is just something that I always see my hairstylist do. So I thought, I might as well give it a try. As y'all can see, I still have a little bit of dandruff in my hair. It doesn't always just get it clean. Just look at me, y'all. I be doing 2 things at once. You see, I'm making my little TikTok. I'm doing my little transition. So yeah. Now that I have it all prepped, as you can see with my little braids, my little Felicia braids, I'm going to take each section out and spray it with some of this Kenra blowout spray. And this is a game changer too, y'all. Like, this just seals the deal, and you don't even need that much. I spray it on before I blow dry. Like I said, I got this from my hairstylist, so I just be taking her tips and her techniques, and I be trying it out on myself. And we're getting somewhere with this. So this is my favorite blow dryer, hands down. I have not found a better one. Y'all, it used to take me a good hour to blow dry my hair just to get it all straight. And this has gotten it the straightest it has ever been with the blow dryer to me. And I am 100% natural. I have not had a relaxer in about 10 years. Yeah, it's been about 10 plus years. So getting my hair this straight is crazy. Now I know, like, if I stop putting heat on my hair, my curls will actually be pretty cute, because they used to be when I wore it curly. But it's just like, I love wearing my hair straight, so I truly don't mind the damage. Well, not the damage, but I just don't mind. I don't mind the not wearing it natural in its natural state. Like, that's fine. If relaxers were cool, and kind of healthy, I would actually go back to it. But a lot comes with relaxers, and I don't want to get into that, to each his own. But I would love to actually go back to a relaxer, because I just like to wear my hair, straight, and there's nothing wrong with that. I also love natural styles. I love flexi rod sets. Like, I love natural styles, which is like my natural hair in its natural state. It's just extremely too much for me. Like, I have so much hair, as y'all can see, and it just gets so long. I just had a bob a few months ago, and look how long it is already. But a prep is important on any hairstyle, I feel like, because your hair is going to come out the best when it's washed and it's clean and it's in its best state. I'm going to prep my hair anytime I get it done, no matter if it's braids, a wig. Only time I don't prep my hair is when I actually get my natural hair done, because I really don't need to do any prep because she does all the work for me. But for the stylists that don't offer that, I just do my own full prep, so I know my hair is in good condition. I definitely try to take care of my hair. I try to wash it at least every 3 weeks, because sometimes I like to go for every 2 weeks, but sometimes life and it just doesn't happen. So at least every 3 weeks, once a month, I try to wash my hair and get it right. So once I go through and just blow dry my entire head, I did go in and press out my hair and I curled it. If y'all want to see a curl video, I will also do that for y'all, because I really been coming through with the curls. Like, y'all about to see how cute this is. Like, if y'all would have seen it down, it's cute. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is the V-part wig. As you can see, it has clips all on the top and around the bottom. There's one at the bottom, 2 on the side, and then we have, I think it's about 2 or 3 on each side. I definitely have it linked below so y'all can go check it out. But this is the quickest hairstyle I have ever done, okay? I swear, in 5 minutes, like, I was a baddie that quick. I did not braid it down because I just felt like I didn't need to, since I'd be taking it off that night. But I just want to show you how good this actually blended into my hair just by me playing with it. It just blended in effortlessly. Like, this is a 22-inch. It was definitely the perfect length, and it was so nice, y'all. It really gave me that sew-in effect that I have just been missing, and it's just so nice. It truly looks like my natural hair. This is what my natural hair will look like once it grows out. And I'm truly giving baddie. So shout out to UNice for sending me this hair. I love it.